killed 137 people, something like that.
Erupsi. Ya Allah.
Waduh.
Ayo. Berlindung. Merapi, Mbak.
Wah, nak kait jan.
Iki
Ora ono tanda-tanda.
Very fast, we're going to the Mount Merapi because it is great. Starting to erupt. By the way, we are RodVivKids, we're a Dutch family vlogging to you from Indonesia. And we are heading to the volcano, that's what we're talking about. And it seems like it started to erupt, so we'll see what we're going to see there.
So actually it's a very spectacular thing. It's not a nice thing, of course. 8 years ago in 2010, March 2010, it killed 137 people, something like that, from the ashes alone already. And so we want to check out what's happening, and so stay tuned. And we will shoot a live video from that as well. So look for the live video, Mount Merapi as well. Here you can see, at the moment it's not doing much actually, but you can see a little bit of smoke. But of course that might change this from 1 minute on the other. Or can you see me? It might just change from 1 minute to the other. So we're going a little closer, and then we're going live. And yeah, for the people here, of course, you will hope nothing will happen. And but they know, they love to live here because the ground, the soil from the lava becomes very fertile. That's why they continue moving back. When something happens after that, they all move back to the volcano again. So let's see what is going to happen. We actually, last week we were in Bali. There was also the Mount Agung. Yeah. Agung. Erupted several times already. We didn't go there. So, because nothing was happening. But this is so close to us. It's 10 kilometers away. 10 kilometers away from our house. But like we were saying, it takes you 35 kilometers by land. So, there it is again. You can see some smoke. Let's find a good spot. There we go to stop.
Probably from the other side you can see more smoke.
Yeah, the other side. So you can see there's more smoke now, and so we're a bit closer now. You can see. I'm not sure you can see it actually. Can you see it on the screen? I can't zoom in at the moment. So we're heading a bit closer now, and from this side it's clearer. So, but this morning was really like a lot of smoke. So it's quite scary. Not sure how far the ashes will go, but in 2013 there was a volcano 250 kilometers away from here, and then everything here was under the ash. It is as if you woke up like in Holland with snow, and because the wind was blowing our way. So if the volcano erupts and the wind is our way, which usually is, then I'm sure we will be covered, and that will take, well, some places we even after 1 year we still had to clean everything from the ashes. So we'll show you more in a bit. Oh yeah, if you ever been involved in some kind of natural disaster something, let us know. Comment down below what you have gone through, like a volcano thing, eruption, or probably not, or typhoon or whatever. Let us know. Or maybe just hail, or being snowed in. Now we finally arrived here. Basically you can see the top of the mountain. You see the smoke going up. For the people here it would not be nice, but if it happens then of course you want to get it on camera. In a little while we are going live on YouTube. So, but this is the normal vlog. So if you want to see the live version, just look for live Gunung Merapi, Mount Merapi, Berg Merapi. Yes. So you can see all this smoke is coming from inside the volcano, and we thought so. It's quite impressive still, but it's just not at the moment a, how do you call that? Just at the moment not a column of smoke. So, but it's quite spectacular, and we don't live too far away from there, about 20 minutes drive I think. Yeah, so we just keep watching this. I mean, we keep being alert to this, and if something happens later today again, then we just drive here again. It's usually sure it will happen. Oh, maybe not. I'm not going to the toilet here.
Ano ulate mas? Wah, masih kolumangan orang lagi. Erupsi, ya Allah. Waduh. Kita. Astagfirullahaladzim. Cepet. Astagfirullahaladzim. Berlindung sini. Astagfirullahaladzim. Berlindung, astagfirullahaladzim. Ayo. Ibu, ikut aku aja. Ikut aku. Ayo. Taruh Pak. Taruh Pak. Satu lagi. Buat satu Pak. Satu lagi Pak, sebentar.
We will update you as soon as we know something more.
Yes, and
Keep what? Oops.
keep updated.
Yeah. We keep you updated. Stay tuned also with live versions. This is the Gunung Merapi, the Mount Volcano Merapi from this side. Don't forget to subscribe. Sharing is caring, so share our vlogs.
Yes.
And hello. And oh yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below. Is there anything else you want to see?
Do it.
Just do it. And of course smash that thumb button, make it blue, like it. And where can you subscribe, Viv? Here you can subscribe.
Here's a former vlog.
Here's a former vlog and here's a special vlog. See you.